Here's Emmett. He just came home from his first day of preschool. What'd you think, buddy? Was it fun?
Yeah, it was fun.
And what's your teacher's name? Very good. Do you know any of the kids in your class?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah?
But I know we
What'd you do today?
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee?
And we sit down the carpet, then we stand up, then the fire bell.
Oh, you heard the bell?
No, it turned upstairs.
Oh.
And then it turned up.
Did you get to play outside?
Yeah, I did.
Good.
And I bumped a tractor.
There's a tractor outside?
And then I bumped it, and I bumped the dump truck.
And the dump truck.
Yeah.
So are you ready to go back again next week?
Yeah, I do.
You want to?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah.